Hi there, I'm Kirby Shepherd. I'm an occupational therapist at ABC Pediatric Therapy Network, and I'm here today to share some sensory food play with you. So children learn best through play, as we all know, but they also learn best when we can use all of their different senses together. And that's where food really comes into play as a benefit to you. So I've taken some things from my home and brought them in to share with you. The first thing I want to share is colored spaghetti. It's a really fun, interactive way for kids to learn their letters, their numbers, and their colors. I've just simply used some food coloring and cooked spaghetti. You can do as many colors as you want. You can make a large batch and hide things in the spaghetti so they really have to get in and dig, find different beads or blocks in the spaghetti. You can also use individual strands to make letters so they can spell their name with the spaghetti strands. Really, really fun approach to learning. Another one that I use a lot is fruits and vegetables, because we know kids don't always like to eat their fruits and vegetables. So this is a really fun way to incorporate them into their play. I've taken a carrot and just shredded it down into almost a pinpoint, so it makes a really fun paintbrush or a pencil. And you just dip it into paint, and you can paint different things on paper. Today I've made a C is for carrot, so if they're trying to learn the different letters, this is a really fun way for them to trace over the letters. I've also used the carrot shred, so you can use every part of that fruit and vegetable. Again, hide things in it, let them get in, let them dig, let them feel, let them smell. The last thing I've used is an apple. I cut it in half, and again, it makes a really fun paintbrush for these kids to do artwork. Dip it into the paint, put it onto the paper, and you can make A is for apple. And there you have a nice little apple, and they can color the stem. You can talk about the color, the size, the smell, how it feels, all of those different approaches. And then lastly, we can use vegetables and fruits as spoons or as utensils, so we can really stir and dig into this yogurt or whipped cream or anything that they like, a preferred food, something that they're going to want to touch and feel and taste. You can add food coloring to that and use it to paint a picture. So lots of different ways that you can incorporate food into play, and it's just going to heighten their senses and make them realize that food is fun. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our website, and thanks so much for checking us out today.